video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a pharmacy MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. This is MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. That's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and behind me you can see this is the pharmacy MLO which we just installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here. So now let's get inside the pharmacy. You can see this is the reception of the pharmacy over here. You can find all the medicines in here, as you can see. And this is the doctor's room over here. And this is a laboratory, as you can see. And over here, this is the washroom inside the pharmacy. And there is one more room which leads to outside. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.